Transitioning out of the military is a very stressful time. I first learned about the Home Builders Institute about 4 months before I got out of the Army. Getting this education and knowledge, skills, and abilities cost-free to be able to help provide for your family or your future is wonderful. The supplies and material and expertise that Home Depot provides, HBI, is fantastic. I would not have been able to afford training like this out of pocket. In the 3 months of the course, I have 6 to 12 months worth of experience. Also, we graduated with an OSHA 10 construction certificate. Within 2 weeks of graduating, I was hired on as an assistant project manager for a multifamily property renovation company. 100% worth it, 100% glad I did it. It has been wonderful for me.